Hi everyone, Fritz here. In today's video, we're going to go over how in under 5 minutes you can switch out the mirror caps on your BMW. For some of you, it's going to be as easy as snapping your fingers. Now the first thing that we have to do is tilt the side mirror all the way up. The way that we do that is making sure that this switch on the driver's side door is towards the mirror that you want to control, and then push up and let it go all the way to the top. Now with the mirror fully tilted up, just take a really big plastic trim tool like this, wedge it at the bottom, and pry out the mirror. And then just take it and set it on the side. Right there is okay. Now with the mirror removed, you can see that there's 3 sets of pins that hold the mirror cap into place. It's gonna be right here, here, as well as over there. All that we have to do is just squeeze them together in order to remove the mirror cap. So just go ahead and squeeze in those clips, and you might be saying to yourself, isn't that mirror cap wrapped in carbon fiber? And the answer is yes, it is. This is gonna be the topic of next week's video, and if you watch it, you're gonna find the details of the giveaway for these mirror caps in that video. Now, just place in your new mirror cap, aligning those pins into the slots that they go in. Now you can see that around the mirror, there's actually all these clips that attach to the respective attaching points onto this circular piece right here. Just go ahead and line it up, and remember there was a slight upward tilt to the mirror when we took it out, and pop it back into place. Now let's adjust our mirror so that we can see what's going on behind and around us. Looks good to me. And just like that, you have your mirror caps installed. I do prefer the ones that match the paint of the body of the car. Now, for some of you who are absolutely 100% against touching the mirrors on your side mirrors because they are expensive to replace, you can just take a plastic trim tool, pry between the mirror cap and the actual mirror housing. Just be careful when you do it, because the locking pins on the mirror cap themselves are prone to breaking, and I wouldn't advise doing it. Popping off the mirror is pretty simple, they're pretty thick and durable, and if you're 100% against touching the mirror caps, that is an option you can do. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Don't forget to watch next week's video on the carbon fiber wrapping of the mirror caps, and we'll be doing a giveaway for that, but it'll actually be a 2-part giveaway. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in that video.